How to make a non-toxic weed killer. After pests and the natural elements, the most damaging thing to a garden is weeds. While you may be tempted by the easy solution, store-bought herbicides, the negative environmental effects of herbicides outweigh any benefit. Most of the herbicides currently on the market are specific, killing only particular weeds. The fact that the store-bought herbicides are designed to target specific plants doesn't make them any less toxic. Herbicides are toxic to most animals, and herbicides can seep into the groundwater, causing contamination. Things you will need: gin, apple cider vinegar, liquid dish soap, hot water, handheld mister. How to make a non-toxic weed killer. Gather supplies. You will need gin, apple cider vinegar, liquid dish soap, hot water for the mix, and a handheld mister to apply it. Mix the gin, apple cider vinegar, and water. Combine 1 tablespoon gin, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, and 1 quart of hot water. The water should be hot but not boiling. Add liquid dish soap. Carefully stir in 1 teaspoon of liquid dish soap. Pour the mixture into a handheld sprayer. Drench the weeds. Spraying the weeds, being careful not to spray any nearby plants. Weed the area closest to the plants by hand to avoid damage to the plants. Control weeds. In addition to the weed killer, a few gardening practices can reduce weed growth dramatically. Plant a weed for 30 minutes every week. Do not let weeds go to seed. If you do nothing else, remove the seed heads or pods from weeds. Maintain your weeding habits during the off-season. Cover plants with mulch to prevent weed growth. Plan to rotate crops from year to year because weeds and pests have difficulty adjusting. Add the weeds to the compost because they make excellent compost. Tips. Warnings. The most natural weed killer is to pour boiling water directly on the weeds, but that can be damaging to everything in the area.